What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time to do another unboxing video. It's been a while, but you know, I haven't copped any shoe lately. The shoes we're gonna be unboxing today, it's a big one. Like, I actually paid resale for it. I'm actually happy to pay resale for this pair because, you know, this pair is probably gonna be the sneaker of the year. We have come to pretty much the end of 2023 and it's time to reveal the sneaker of the year, and this pair is on the list. And for this year, it really comes down to 4 pairs of shoes. The first pair is probably the Harito Nike SB Dunk, the Nike SB, the Yuto Origome, the one that was inspired, well, created by the Japanese skateboarder. I think he won the Olympics 2020. And the other two, I'm happy to say I have both of them. One of them, it's the Air Jordan 3 YSM Reimagined, man. I actually rock the shit out of this pair. I do wear this pair a ton, especially to work. To be honest, it really comes down to this pair, or the pair we're gonna be reviewing, which you probably know what it is. It's the Nike SB. My bad, let me say that again. It's the Air Jordan collab with Nike SB Jordan 4, the pine green, which is right here. Man, first of all, I think I paid like $380, which is a really good deal. Looking at the StockX Jordan 4 for size 10, last sale was $432. Right now it's asking for $420. So really, I feel like I got a really good deal. I got it for like $380. Happy to pay $380 for this pair. I'm surprised that the Haritos are going for like $500-600 right now, and this pair, it's only going for like $400. Anyway, looking at the box, you know, just a Jumpman logo flight right here. Looking at the side, I think this is something that we have never seen, or actually they have, but it's with Jordan 1, not with Jordan 4. You got the SB, Nike SB, and Jordan Jumpman logo right here. Like what I said, I got the size 10. I do typically go a size up, or half a size up for Jordan 4. You know, they're pretty snuggle, so it can be a little uncomfortable sometimes. So I usually just go half size up. Right here, inside, it's nothing special. Paper, you got the splatter print. Oh, the paper. Damn. Boom. What a beauty. Let's see. Boom. Gorgeous. And of course, you got the Nike FB on the back. That's something we have never seen. First thing, smells good. The first thing that really caught my attention is for sure the green. This is similar to like military blues, the colorway, the color blocking is kind of like that, you know. Personally, green is not my favorite color, so it's never my first choice, but I think this pair, it's an exception, you know. I would be down to rock this pair. The gum bottom, for sure, something that really caught my attention as well. It's for the gripping, you know. This shoes is actually designed for skaters, for you to skate. So, you know, they may look just like Jordan 4, but they slightly changed the design a little bit. I do like the leather. I'm feeling it, you know. I feel like leather, it's kind of, it's not like a GR Jordan 4. It's a lot smoother, I would say, softer a little bit. And, you know, side, it's a lot thicker than typical Jordan 4. Honestly, it's probably for skating purpose as well. And one thing we already know, which is the rubber at the back, the tab right here, and all the way back here as well. And also the wings, they replaced with rubber. Overall, I don't feel like it's lighter. People are saying that the shoe tongue, the ankle area are more fluffy, you know, more padded, but I don't, maybe just a little, but I don't think it's that much different. I do like the red right here, man. I feel like it really stands out. I'm not sure red and green are a good combination, but you know, it's on there. If you look from this angle, it's kind of nice. Let's look at the bottom. I wish they did Nike SB instead, just a Nike logo, but you know, you can't complain much about it. Overall, I feel like this pair, I got a steal. Well, I still pay quite a bit, but you know, I feel like I still got a dub on this pair. I will for sure be rocking this pair. I'm not sure if you guys watched the Tonight Show where Philip Puma went on to Jimmy Fallon's show. This is the pair he picked for sneaker of the year. It was between like Tiffany, you know, Tiffany Air Force One. No one's really talking about it anymore. I feel like the last 2 picks is just really this pair and this pair. I feel like this too. Man, not biased, but Jordan brand killed it this year for sure. Just like last year, you know, I got the Lost and Found, I got the I'm on my knees this year. I got the Jordan 4 pine green SB and the YSM 3s, man. So I'm just a little happy camper that I was able to get, you know, 2 maybe the winner and the runner-up for both 2022 and 2023. The inside, you got the Nike SB, and here as well the logo. So I can't wait to rock this pair, man. But I'll put it this way, I know this pair is pretty high up for 2023, but this pair deserves a little more recognition. Anyway, this is probably it. It's a quick unboxing of probably the sneaker of the year, the Nike SB collab with Jordan brand, the Jordan 4 Pine Green. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and follow my Instagram as well, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.